Alright, ladies and gentlemen, the time is here to announce the winner of the TigerTail AT Tow System. I would like to thank everybody that entered into the giveaway. Sorry I couldn't give one to every one of y'all, but you know how things are. Once again, I'd like to thank Team Tech Engineering for sponsoring this giveaway. I know y'all just want to hear who the winner is because I've received quite a few messages asking when the TigerTail is going to be announced or who the winner of the TigerTail is or blah 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 blah. Now, for the winner, drum roll please. That's a pretty bad drum roll. The winner of the TigerTail AT Tow System is none other than you. Yes, you won. Oh yeah, that'd be Andrew Stubb. Andrew Stubb. I don't know how you say it. I'm gonna put his comments up in the video right now. Yes, you are the winner, Andrew Stubb, however you say your name. So I'll be contacting you in the comments, and then we can figure out a way to get your information and then get that TigerTail sent out to you. Now I know the rest of y'all are probably disappointed that you didn't win, but don't fret because we can still help you out a little bit. Team Tech Engineering over at TigerTail.us was nice enough to provide a discount code for all you fine people. So if any of y'all are still wanting to buy a TigerTail, go to TigerTail.us, and when you go to checkout, use coupon code SWAMP, SWAMP, and that'll give $20 off your order. And if you choose the pay shipping later option, you'll get free shipping also. So yeah, it's not a even though you didn't win, you can still save you a little money and get you a TigerTail if you want one. But if you do want to buy a TigerTail, make sure you act fast on the promo code because it's for a limited time only. I'll put the information in the description on this video. So if you have any questions or if you just want to ask in the comments, I'll do my best to answer them. Congratulations again to Andrew Stubb. I don't know how to say your name, buddy. Sorry. But congratulations again on winning. Everybody else, y'all take care, and remember, that's not mud on my butt.